lies, they don't mean nothing. People say it's a phase you're going through, but I know you. Ain't that a thing you used to do? And this sorrow is just a sign that I'll have to be moving on. Tomorrow, whenever I get the feeling I don't belong.
The kids go looking for it where the supermarket's dying. It will not be there when you go looking. How much will it be if you need more? How long before the soldiers on your TV look just like the soldiers at your door? Freedom's not the brave new world that holds a smoking gun, standing at the border where its bravest work is done. And freedom's not in lines of three through dirty trenches to victory, for kings and queens and heads of state, for drunken songs that are sung with hate.
Adversity falls and fails, past adventures spur the new. I eat the humble pancake, we bask in the brightness of you. Sleeping soldiers soon will fall, you will break through.
Be unkind to sit and say nothing, yet say I was dumb. Take that for your answer and go as you come. A pox on you, Sally, you are unkind. You took the lily, left the red rose behind, but the lily will yellow and the time will come soon where the red rose will flourish in the sweet month of June.